Alright, Kara, here's what we did today. I gave them some time to finish recording their video, so basically I took learning targets 4 through 9 and put the kids into groups, which you can see right there. And they just had to record a video with 3 examples explaining how to do their learning target. They finished their writing linear equations worksheet, which they turned in. For homework tonight, they had these 2 things. So practice writing equations in standard form and slope-intercept form, and graphing lines. And so I'll walk over and show you what those look like. Those looked like, so this was the practice with writing equations in standard form and slope-intercept form. So for each learning target, so here's learning target 4, there were 6 problems. Learning target 5, there were 6 problems. Learning target 6, there were 6 problems, and so on and so forth for all of them. We covered all this material today, so I told them to go ahead and finish that for homework, and then also the graphing lines thing. So they have to graph slope-intercept, which I think is learning target 10. I don't remember off the top of my head. I'm going to leave these answer keys here for you. These 3 were for the last few days. This is the answer key for that, and then I actually didn't make an answer key for graphing lines, but I printed one off. Is it at the end here? Let me see. There it is. So I'll write answer key on that one for you. This homework was turned in on Thursday, so I'll give that to you. I did give them their tests back. There were a couple students who didn't get them, and this was actually how I graded it. So I just went through, and I don't know if I actually shared the test with you, but anyway, I went through, and if they got the entire learning target section correct, I gave them a check. And then I was kind of a Nazi when I graded. So here's Robbie's. Like for learning target 1, she got 1 right, and then she got 2 wrong. So like, I didn't give her any credit for that. They had to get everything perfect, and even kids who like missed a minus sign here or there, like still didn't get credit for it because I want to make sure they get it perfect and nailed down. So anyway, I gave those back. Robbie and Elliot were out today. I think somebody said Robbie was in Texas. So anyway, I'm gonna leave this here. This is on the desk over here. So there's the answer key, and there are a couple blank tests there. So there's that. I just added a couple sheets to our desk over here. So we did 2-step inequalities. We did absolute value equations. We didn't actually go over these as a class today, but I had the kids check their answers on them, so I'm hoping they did that. So trying to think if there's anything else. I can't really think of anything else. So this is what I told them they needed to do. They had to turn in 2-step inequalities and writing linear equations, the worksheets. I have those here. I'm going to put those in the grade book tonight, in the grade sheet. So their homework tonight is graphing lines worksheet, and they have to pick up their test, and the corrections are due tomorrow. And then I told them to email their video to me, so I'll let you know how those go. So anyway, let me know if you have any additional questions.